Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we are going to show you how to easily log into your Canara Bank account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Canara Bank website. You can do this by typing canarabank.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on the home page, select the preferred language. After that, at the right hand side, you will see Net Banking-Login option. Click on it. Again, find Net Banking-Login button and click on it. Now, type in your user ID and password. After that, enter the CAPTCHA, taking the reference of this picture. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and the CAPTCHA will be changed. You can also select the language by clicking on this drop-down box. Now click on this button to log into your Canara Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.